Hello traders, this is the third episode of my training mentorship, and in this video we will talk about everything you need to know about prop firms, what are the prop firms, how the money is being made with prop firms, and also we will talk about importance of risk management. Okay, because without proper risk management you cannot succeed in the world of prop firms. Okay, so first of all, let's start understanding what are the prop firms and how money is being made with prop firms. Okay, so first of all, what is the prop firm? Prop firms are literally the companies that give you huge amount of capital if you pass the challenge. Okay, and in order for you to pass a challenge, you simply buy the challenge, which is very, very low. Like in this video, we will talk about Top Step platform. Okay, because that's what I personally use. Like there are a lot of prop firms, but I'm gonna talk about what I personally use and where I'm getting myself payouts from. Okay, so first of all, what is Top Step? Top Step is company which gives you opportunity for you to pay a little bit of price, and if you pass the challenge, then you are getting yourself huge amount of money to trade with. Okay, let's say here, let's do the example on 50k funded accounts. Okay, if you want to gain access to $50,000 trading capital, you simply are paying $85, and after you pay $85, you are simply getting yourself demo account where you have $50,000, and if you pass this challenge, then you would get your $50,000, and then you can get your payouts once you pass the challenge. Okay, and first of all, let's talk about how you pass the challenge itself. Okay, so once you buy and pay $85, you get 50k account. Okay, it is not real money, this is demo account still, so keep that in mind. This is demo account, and your profit target is simply $3,000. What does profit target mean? Profit target means that once your account goes from 50k to $53,000, then the challenge is passed. Okay, so once your balance increases from 50k to 53k, then your challenge is passed. Okay, also keep in mind that you have drawdown. What does drawdown mean? Drawdown means that maximum loss limit is $2,000. What does this mean? This means that maximum your balance can drop is $85,000. Okay, if your balance, like let's say you lost some trades and your balance decreases from 50k to 85k, then you are losing your account. And what does this mean? Are you losing 50k and are you in debt? No, you are not in any debt. The maximum you are losing is whatever you are paying, the price of the challenge. Okay, that's what you are maximum risking. So you are simply risking $85 in order to gain access to huge trading capital, which is $50,000. Okay, and also let's also talk about the consistency rule, because Top Step on challenge has consistency rule. Once you get funded and once you pass the challenge, it does not have consistency rule anymore, but on challenge it has consistency rule 50%. What does this mean? Consistency rule 50% simply means that whatever is your profit target, you cannot win more than 50% in one trade. What does this mean? This means that your profit target is $3,000, right? In one trade, maximum you can win is $1,500. Okay, so you cannot do something like this. You cannot win you cannot win like $1,800 and $1,200 and pass account and pass the challenge like this. Why? Because you are simply not satisfying the consistency rule. Consistency rule means that like the earliest, how you can pass the funded challenge very, very early. The maximum you can do, you can take 2 trades, and in each trade you can win $1,500 and $1,500. This is the earliest and the easiest you can pass this funded challenge, this Top Step challenge. Okay, every prop firm has its own specific rules, but in this video we will talk about whatever I am using, because this is very, very easy rules and they are also paying the money, so they are trusted. You can trust the Top Step prop firm. Okay, this is how you are passing the account. You have $2,000 drawdown, your balance cannot go lower than $85,000, and your profit targets is $3,000. Okay, once you hit this profit target and your balance is $53,000, you pass the challenge. And now let's understand what happens when you pass the challenge. Let's say you hit your profit target. Okay, now once you complete the challenge and you pass the account, then they are giving you 50K funded account. What does this mean? Does this mean that now you have actually the real 50K account? Like, is this the real money? No, keep in mind that prop firms always give you the demo accounts. They are not giving you real money. Even though you pass the challenge, you are still, okay, you are still getting the demo account 50K funded challenge. Now let's understand how you can make money and how you can get your payouts from the funded challenge. So first of all, you know that once you are funded, you don't have any consistency rule, right? So you can like win $2,000 in one trade, then $500 in another trade, then 1,200, then 4K. It does not matter, okay? As long as you have 5 trading days, you can get the payout. Now let's understand what is a trading day. Trading day means that in one day, by the end of the day, you need to have P&L more than $150, okay? If at the end of the day you made more than $150, then that is counted as your trading day. And in total, when you have 5 trading days, which by the way does not have to be consecutive, like you can lose some trades, you can win some trades, but as long as in total trading days are 5, once the trading days are 5, then you can request a payout. And let's do this scenario, okay? Let's say we win $1,000, then we lose $200, then we win $150, then we lose another $200, then we win $500, and then we win $500, and then let's win $500 again, okay? So why am I doing this? Let's say we had 50K dollars, okay? This is the funded account, and we did something like this. We win $1,000 here, we win $1,000, then we win 1,500, and then we win 500, 500, 500. Why can we request a payout? We can request payout because what is total number of trading days? It is 5. Even though we lost 200 and 200, as long as we have 5 in total, we can request a payout. Now let's understand how much money you are getting when you request a payout. What is total P&L here? 1,000. Like let's do the math really quickly. So here the profit is 4K and it is minus 400. So in total we have $3,600. Does it mean that once we have $3,600 and we request a payout, do we get this payout fully? No, we do not get it fully. We get half of it. Okay, so our balance was this. We request a payout, and we are getting 3,600 divided by 2, the half of it, which is $1,800. Okay, this is what you are getting in your bank account. Okay, so when you request a payout, you do not get it fully, you get half of it. So this is what you are getting in your bank account, and whatever is left in your trading account, which is 51,800. Okay, this is your balance after the payout. Maximum you can lose, so this is your trading capital to trade with. Okay, so maximum you can lose in order to lose the funded account will be $1,800. Okay, so this is basically how prop firms work. When you request a payout, you get half of it, and half stays on the funded account, and this half is a maximum you can lose. Okay, let's say if you lose the trades and your balance comes back to $50,000, that means that you lost that funded account, and what are you risking maximum? The maximum you are risking is $85. Even though after challenge, okay, so let's say you pass your challenge, you paid $85, then you have funded account. Then if you lose this funded account, okay, you are still losing only this, okay, nothing else. Whatever you are paying, that's what you are losing. All right. This is the basic information about the prop firms. This is how money is made. So you need 5 trading days, and in every 5 trading days, you can request half of the profits, whatever is total. And half stays on the account, and then you can trade with that capital. Okay, so this is about top step. Okay, and now let's understand what is risk management, because without risk management, I promise you, you will never succeed in trading, especially in prop firms. Okay, because without risk management, you are simply gambling. All right, so let's understand what is risk management. Okay, I will give you a very easy example in order for you to understand what is the advantage of trading. Okay, and what is the main point of trading. Let's say your balance is $100. Okay, let's make it 1,000. Okay, let's say you started trading and your balance is $1,000. What is risk management? Okay, let's say you are risking, like you have fixed amount of money what you are risking per trade. What does this mean? That means that before you enter a trade, you have fixed amount of money that you are risking per trade. Let's say per trade you are risking $100. Okay, this means that as long as you don't lose 10 trades in a row, you still have your account, right? So per trade you are risking, let's say, $100. Okay, let's say you lost one trade, then you lost one trade, then you win one trade, then you lose, and etc. And let's say we took total 10 trades, and from 10 trades we have 50% win rate. What does this mean? 50% win rate means that we lost 5 trades, 5 losses, and 5 wins. This is what win rate means. Let's say we took 10 trades, we won 5 trades, and we lost. We won 5 trades and we lost 5 trades. Okay, why is risk management the best in trading, and why it's the most important part in trading? Okay, why? Because we will. I don't think if you know what is a risk or reward, but I'm gonna explain it to you very easily as well. What is risk to reward? When we enter a trade as a professional traders, when we are risking $100, we may lose $100, but when we are winning more than 2 RR. Okay, 2 RR for me personally is the worst case scenario. Okay, if I'm winning trades, I am winning at least 3 RR, 4 RR, 5 RR, and more. Okay, so let's say, and let's take the worst scenario example. What does RR means? RR means that if you are risking $100 and you win 2 RR trade, it means that you are multiplying. So you are winning $200, $300, $400. Okay, this is what RR simply means. So you are maybe risking $100 and you may lose $100, but if you are winning more. Okay, more than 2 RR. It can be $300, $400, $500. Now let's take an example of even on the worst case scenario, which is 2 RR. Okay, 2 RR. So we lost 5 trades. We are risking $100 per trade. How much did we lose? We lost what? $500. If we win 5 trades and each trade is 2 RR, how much profit are we making? Okay, how much profit are we making in each trade? So if we are risking $100 and we are getting 2 RR trade, in each trade we are simply getting what? $200 profit. If we win 5 trades, how much is this in total? This is multiplied by 5, which is $1,000. And look at this. This is when the magic happens. Okay, even though in 10 trades we lost 5 and we won 5, we are still in profit. Why? Because we are in minus 500 and we are in plus 1,000. Okay, if you sum this up, you are simply in $500 profit. Why? Because you lost 500, you made 1,000, so you are in $500 profit, even though your win rate was 50% and you lost 5 trades. Okay, that's where the magic is in the trading and in risk management. Okay, you don't need to be perfect. You don't need to win like 9 trades or 10 trades out of 10 trades. Like anyone who is saying that, they are simply lying to you and they want to simply, I don't know, sell you a course or sell you a mentorship or something like that. No one has like 100% win rate, like 95% win rate. You don't even need to have that high win rate, okay? I gave you very, very simple example. Even if you have 2RR, which is worst case scenario when you're a professional trader, okay, even if you have 2RR trade and 50% win rate, you can still be profitable in the long run, okay? So trading is all about consistency, and to view this as like in the long run, okay? In the long run, as long as your win rate is over 50%, it can even be lower win rate, and you can still be profitable if your RR is high, okay? Me personally, my win rate is around 60% to 70%, and my average RR is at least 3, okay? If I'm winning trade, I'm winning, like if I'm risking $100, I'm winning at least $300. That's how my risk management works, okay? This was simply about risk management, and now the last thing I'm going to talk about is what risk management I personally use on 50K funded challenge, okay? Let's understand. We have 50K funded challenge. Our maximum drawdown is $2,000. Let's understand it again. What is maximum drawdown? This means that our account cannot be lower than $85,000, right? So this is our drawdown. The maximum is $2,000. So what I love to do at the challenges is that I am giving myself 5 shots. What does it mean? That means that per trade, I am risking $400, okay? What does this mean? This means that in order for me to blow this funded challenge, I need to lose 5 trades in a row, okay? And me personally, with my data, I am also journaling and backtesting. I've done a lot of backtests, and I'm also doing forward tests. Like, it is very, very, very rare, okay, that I lose 5 trades in a row, okay? If I lose 5 trades in a row, something is literally wrong with me, with my psychology, with my strategy, and whatever I am using. I'm not gonna lose 5 trades in a row. That's why I'm risking $400 per trade on challenge, okay? This is the risk management I use on challenge. On each trade, I risk $400. If you are a beginner, your risk can be $250, okay, which is 0.5% of the whole account, okay? So if you are a beginner, $250 can also be very, very good risk on 50K funded challenge. This is the risk I am using on the funded challenge, but when I pass the challenge and I am on the actual funded account, I am decreasing my risk to $250 to $300. This is what I'm risking on the funded challenge itself. I am decreasing the risk a bit, okay? So yeah, that's the risk management I personally use on fundeds. This was everything you needed to know about the prop firms and the risk management, okay? You don't need to be perfect in this trading field in order to make money, okay? You can lose the trades as long as you analyze the market, analyze the mistakes, journal everything, backtest, and keep going. Everything is possible, okay? I'm not the perfect trader. I also lose some trades. I always journal my losing trades, but you don't need to win all the trades in order to make money as long as you have proper risk management, okay? I think, yeah, everything is clear about these topics, and yeah, from the next lectures we will start understanding the more technical stuff, okay? Yeah, we will start understanding technical analysis like market structure, premium discount, fair value gaps, inversion, like everything, okay? Power of 3, quarterly theory, literally everything in very, very detail what I'm using. So make sure to like, appreciate, like write some comments if you like this type of mentorship videos, and yeah, see you in the next one. Have a great day, guys. Have a great day.